Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We are going to stay with partly cloudy skies this Thursday across the western and central parts of the country, and the cloud will continue to give us isolated afternoon and evening thunder showers extending from the northern and western Cape into much of central South Africa. The showers could also spill into western KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to stay partly cloudy for much of the northwest, Gauteng, Limpopo, as well as Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. Now we are expecting up to a 40% chance of thunder showers for your Thursday in the areas highlighted by the light shades of blue across much of western and central South Africa. Temperatures are going to stay in the lower to mid 30s across much of the northwest, Gauteng, Limpopo, as well as Mpumalanga. Fairly comfortable for Emelo with a high of around 26 degrees. Hot afternoon temperatures persist across much of the Free State, Bloemfontein warming to 34. It's also going to be hot in KwaZulu-Natal, a high of 34. Also forecast for Ladysmith. Top temperatures in the Eastern Cape will lie mostly in the mid 30s. Here's what's going on along the east coast. We are going to have fresh to strong northeasterlies along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas extending down into the Port St. John's area. We are expecting easterly swells off the east coast averaging a height of around 1.5 meters. Afternoon temperatures are going to be a touch cooler over the southern interior compared to what we saw on Wednesday. Temperatures shooting into the upper 30s for most places. It's also going to be slightly cooler for the south and the southwest coastline, but Muizenberg will still see temperatures exceeding 30 degrees. Temperatures around 29 for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and we're expecting swell heights to come from a southwesterly direction of the south coast with a height of around 2 meters. It's going to stay sizzling hot this afternoon around Appington with temperatures shooting to around 40, 35 for the highs in Priska and Kimberley. Springbok will peak at around 33, the same for Carnarvon. We are expecting fresh to moderate winds along much of the west coast this Thursday. Temperatures around 32 for Cape Town, just a degree cooler in Langaban, and we're expecting 1.5 meter swell heights off the west coast coming from a southwesterly direction. Thunder showers continue on New Year's Day over the western, central and eastern parts of the country. Light rain is forecast for George as well as Port Elizabeth. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your New Year's Eve.